morning everyone, Mobility Moves. I've got some new yoga straps from Temu. This is a little snippet of a masterclass that I did at Blackpool IFS this week. Saturday? Yeah, Saturday. I've also done loads and loads of towel workouts using a towel, which you can do, which is fine. And I've formulated it into a workshop now. So many people asked me after the class. So if you're interested in the workshop of how you can create all these little blocks of choreography that improve your mobility and your strength just with a towel or yoga strap, just comment, put it MM, and I'll send you the details. I'm going to do it on Zoom next week. It'll just be 90 minutes. So yeah, let me know if you're interested. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to double it up, put my thumb in. We're going to go up, right lateral. Here's a couple of blocks for you. Up and left lateral. Do it again. Relift. There's so much you can do, especially in multi-plane. So sagittal plane, frontal plane, transverse. Rotate. Nice click. I love that when you get that click. There. We put them together. We go up, right lateral, and then a right rotation. Good. We go all the way to the top, and a left lateral. So it's really easy. You can either get yourself some yoga straps from Temu, or get everybody to bring a towel. We're going all the way back, all the way over. Now step forward into a lunge. Again, it doesn't need to be a big lunge. You're rotating up. We come through the centre and lift onto your tiptoes. Step forward, left rotation, right rotation. Onto your tiptoes, we go from the top. Lift, right lateral, then rotation. We go to the top, first block, left lateral. And I'm keeping just a slight tension on the band. Here we go, step forward, one. There. And if you struggle, or any class members struggle with knees, there's so much you can do. This doesn't have to be a huge lunge. All it needs to be is a step forward, rotation right, rotation left, come up, onto your tiptoes. But if you wanted to make it more dynamic, you can. Good, all the way up. Now I'm going to add a squat down to the right with right lateral flexion. Left lateral. There. You can do this. At Blackpool we did it for a full hour. All standing work, all sequences. One more. Let's go 4 to the right. 4, 3, 2. So side lunge. And then 4 to the left. 1, 2. This definitely wakes up your trunk. One more. Now, through the centre, lift. Right lateral, just bringing the strap to the front. Hip extension. Good again. And then squat. One more. Left side. Here we go. Left, single knee. Hip abduction. There. Hip extension. Lean in. Good morning. There's your squat. Morning, Richard. Bring the hand on the right. We're going to go all the way over the top, around the back. Good. Pause. We go left, all the way over the top. A little pause. Now a bit quicker with your halo. Over. All the way back. So we're moving the ribs, the thoracic. Fantastic to mobilise the shoulders. Again. All the way over, and from the top we go. Squat lateral. 3, so this is your second block. And then go left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's your single knee. There. Hip abduction. Lean forward, hip extension. Let's take your arms back. And then squat. Put it all together. Ready? We lift. Right lateral. Now rotate. All the way to the top. Shoulders getting a very strong workout. Left. Lunge forward. Step in. Right. Left. Arms all the way up. You can add a squat there. Left rotation. twist to the right. 3. All the way over, one more. And then take 4 left. 1, 2, 3. One more. Bring the knee up, single knee. 3. Now what we could do is we can start to move the upper body in the opposite direction with that little sequence. Squat. So like this. Left, 1, think about it, 2, there, rotate, all the way back, 1, and then squat. Try that. Right knee, lift, there, out to the side, that's harder. Rotation, good, feet together, squat. Now just rest with the shoulders. On your right side, halo slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Halo again, all the way round. Now back. You've got it. Let's do a rainbow. Reflection, rotation, arms up. And again, let's go around. All the way back. There's a couple of blocks there for you that you can do. The music this morning is Push It from Pure Energy. And it is, I've just pitched it up slightly, so it's Push It, that one. It's a great mix. Perfect for this. Although you could slow it down, you could do it to Eternal. And again, I feel really mobilised here. So if you're interested in doing the workshop, just comment MM. And I'll send you all the details. It is on 1st of April. But don't worry if you can't make it live. It'll all be recorded with all the masterclasses. All right. Right, let's go do the supporters briefing. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know. And if you did the class at Blackpool on Saturday, let me know what you thought. I'd love to know. All right, see you later.